Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, in this video we shall learn about past, indefinite tense and active and passive voice of this tense. Past indefinite tense, the sentence that ends with alif, छोड़िए बढ़िए, आता था, थी, ते थे, is called past indefinite tense. For example, उसने खत लिखा और वो खत लिखता था, are the same sentence. Now, method of this tense: positive sentences, subject plus verb second form plus object. उसने खत लिखा, he wrote a letter. For negative sentence, subject plus did not plus verb first form plus object. उसने खत नहीं लिखा, he did not write a letter. Interrogative sentence, did plus subject plus first form verb plus object. क्या उसने खत लिखा? Did he write a letter? Now, viewers, let's see tenses. Thank you. Take care. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, now we learn about active and passive voice of past indefinite tense. As, as active sentence, subject plus second form plus object. For example, he wrote a letter. He is subject, wrote is verb, and object is a letter. Now, method of passive voice: object plus was were as per the subject plus verb third form means past participle plus subject. He wrote a letter. A letter was written by him, and negative will be a letter was not written by him, and interrogative sentence was a letter written by him. Now let's see the solve exercise, unsolved exercise, and assistance. Take care.